Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Minolta XG-7. So this is the front, this is one side, this is the other side, this is the top, and this is the bottom. Okay, gonna take out the lens to show you the lens. One thing I noticed about the lens up front is that I noticed there's like some kind of scratch on it. I'm not sure what is it from. But yeah, 1.4 lens but got scratched. Okay, so this is the aesthetics of it. This is the front, and then this is the back, this is the side. It's actually smooth, aperture works. So yeah, show you the glass quality. Shine test. Alright. The camera itself, it fires. I'm gonna show you the light meter. Wait, I need to think about how to show the light meter. Okay, to show light meter, I need to put it on A mode. Once I put A mode, then I can show you the LED inside lah. So this is what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so you can see that the light meter works. Why it's so dark? This is oh, because there's no lens. Let me put a lens. Okay, so you can see like it's a light meter and it works. So yeah. Okay, now we're gonna do the shutter test. One, 2, 5, 60, 30, 15, 108, 104, half, and 1 second. And now it's about mode. Okay, so the shutter works, all the shutter speeds works on this camera. Just that I realized that maybe sometimes the camera might not fire, maybe due to the compartment here is a bit loose. So probably need to check the battery compartment in case like you find a situation where your camera does not fire lah. Before this, I think I saw another Minolta XG camera or something like that, which also has a similar problem. So I think probably it's due to the design of the XG series itself. But so far okay lah. Just so far okay, can fire. A mode also works. So yeah. Okay, hope you guys find this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share if you like this video. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless. See you.